Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have another HMT watch to talk about. HMT Jawahar. Every watch in anyone's collection has a story behind it. And if you're collecting vintage watches, those watches have several stories tagged to them. But there will be a primary story from the manufacturer, and HMT Jawahar has one too. I am sure most of you have already guessed it. HMT Jawahar was manufactured in honor of our first Prime Minister of independent India, Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1950s, when revolutionizing industries in India, which will prove to be the backbone of the country, Nehru had a notion to make watches here in India, and which also improved relationship between India and eastern country, Japan. HMT was already an established company, and all it had to do was collaborate with Citizen Watch Company in Japan. Nehru became a nexus between HMT and Citizen, leading to the first factory setup in 1961 in Bangalore, revolutionizing HMT forever. This also created thousands of employments in decades to come. HMT was the only watchmaker in India and monopolized the industry until Titan came along. HMT had also set up factories in several places after its success in Bangalore. Jawaharlal Nehru's vision of making watches on Indian soil was successfully executed to perfection. Durable, reliable, robust, and more importantly, economical watches were made available to the Indian population. HMT, in its heydays, thrived, generating a ton of revenue. Like every mechanical watches in that era, HMT also faced quartz crisis, and it was hit hard. Titan, the challenger, brought lot of watches with battery-powered movements available to Indian population at very cheaper price. HMT was too late to adapt to this game and lost. Increasing losses, lesser demand, and outdated designs of HMT watches were some of the reasons why government had to pull the plug of this company in 2016. HMT Jawahar comes in a barrel case, a low profile with no significant cuts in the case. HMT logo and name Jawahar is printed in black on beautiful sunburst off-white dial. Applied square-shaped steel indices for hour markers, big Dauphine minute and hour hands, steel sweeping second hand. The case back is a screw type, and the year this watch was manufactured was 1982. This was a memento given to the employees of BEL for 15 years of service. There were several types of HMT Jawahar watches, but I was able to source this one. Though I came across black dial Jawahar, I turned it down. This is a prized possession for any HMT watch collector. My watch is a keeper and will be a part of my collection for a very long time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.